Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to live upgrade a old site of mine to TailwindCSS 4. So this is the site. It's called copybook.me. It's just a collection of commonly used text in websites that I made, and I don't think I worked on this for like the last 2 years, especially the code part. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, for the last 2 years I haven't touched this. So this is in Tailwind version 3.1.3 right now, and Tailwind CSS 4 just released yesterday, and we can just live upgrade it. Let's see if something everything's working. Maybe something will fail. We'll see about it. They do have upgrade tool over here. We're gonna try that first, and if something's not working, I know we'll just go from there. So this is the site I have. This is the code for that. So this is a Hugo site. Hugo, if you don't know, is a static site generator. It's very fast. That's the main selling point. So yeah, let's open my terminal, go to this project, and let's just run this. Okay, it migrated style sheets. What did it do? It linked Tailwind CSS config to static. Okay, migrated JavaScript config files. Okay, migrate template for config file, style sheets, no post skipping migration, updated dependency. If in current data packet manager, please manage with Tailwind CSS workflow. Okay, I think that did some things for us, which is good. Let's see what it did over here. So it removed Tailwind config. Okay, I'm not sure about that. It updated some CSS. Okay, that's definitely needed. It updated some things that are deprecated and it's renamed. That's fine. That's great actually. And it updated some CSS for us over here. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, this is a great starting point. It obviously it doesn't have any package manager because this is Hugo runs on separate runtime, so that makes sense. We have to upgrade that. Okay, yeah, I think this is a great starting point. Let's just start the Hugo server, which is Hugo server. Okay, first we have some problems here. So I just installed Hugo on my machine, and it's in the latest version, I guess, which is good, but we have to what Hugo version are we in? Okay, we're in 0.1.2. Okay, that's fine. So some things are deprecated and we have to update that. That's fine. So first is site config key paginate was deprecated. Okay, that's easy, I think. So this should be paginate and pagination. So pagination. Page size should be 75 instead of this one. Perfect. Next is site.author is deprecated in Hugo. Implement taxonomy author or use site.params.author. Okay, can you use site.params.author instead? So that is here. We can just have params over here. Yeah, I think that's it. And I think we have to update everywhere the site.author. Should be params. Oh, yeah, perfect. Same here. Params. Perfect. Okay. Curse is amazing. Now, if everything's good, it should run Hugo server. Perfect. So let's open it in a new tab. Closed on 313. It's running and everything's perfect, but I don't think it's Tailwind v4, right? Yeah, we're still in Tailwind v3. Okay, now we have to upgrade it to v4. Okay, let's do that. So Hugo has a guide on that. So if you go to Hugo docs, you can see you have to install these dependencies. We can do that. So burn install these two things. So now everything's move to version 4. Let's do, okay, this is still working, that's good. Let's restart it. Perfect, okay. And then we have some cache busters to implement, that's okay. We'll add this to config toml. Perfect. And we'll include the, it should be right here, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so this is taking from css main.css, so we need that for folder, so that should be assets/css/main.css. oh, okay. New file, main.css. Perfect. So I'll just move this tailwind.css that we have over here, which has lots of things, I know why, but I'll just move that to main.css. The default border color has changed to current color in Tailwind system, so you have this compare with states make everything when I was just express border color. I think you can remove that. Yeah, and I'll delete the main CSS and Tailwind CSS that we have over here. Okay, and everything. Oh, that's broken. Let's just restart and see. Oh, perfect. We have a gap over here, I don't know why, but so this is the local and this is the production version. There's no gap over here, but there's a gap in the local. Let's just go to sidebar and see what's happening there. Aside. Okay, so we have this and we have this, we have space Wi-Fi. I think this should be a block element instead of a tag inline. Okay, perfect, that's all. So yeah, it's mostly done. I have to say it's pretty easy to upgrade. I didn't need any I didn't have to go to any files, HTML files per se, because the upgrade tool did that for me. And now one thing I can remove is everything here, because I don't need any build steps, because previously I used to build Tailwind CSS from the CLI that they had, but I think Hugo is doing that now, so I can remove all these things and we can only have Tailwind and we can run it with Hugo. Let me just check that and install again, and Hugo server. Yeah, perfect. I think that's it. So this has been upgrading Tailwind CSS to v4. It's pretty easy, it's pretty short, and we didn't have to do much. Tailwind itself did the heavy work for us, so it was pretty easy. Let me know if you want me to live upgrade more websites. I have some websites that has Tailwind 2, even some things that has Tailwind 1, and something older than that. So if you want me to upgrade those things, let me know, I can do that. And that's it. Bye bye.